Today I'm going to share with you 2 strategies that helped my art go from this to this in just a little over a year. Plus I'm going to be sharing a little bit of my journey so far with you, so be sure to stay tuned for that. What's going on, guys? My name is Sean and I'm an illustrator here on YouTube, and if you're struggling with your art journey right now, then this is going to be the video for you. And hopefully you leave inspired to create your greatest piece yet.
Okay, who can tell me when it all began?
So it all started in the year of our Lord, 2020. It had been quite some time since I last picked up a pencil and paper and truly drew something. So I decided to get myself out of the funk I was in due to the pandemic, and I picked up a sketchbook and a pencil and I just started to draw. Now before you go ahead and say, "But Sean, I don't have all these fancy supplies, I can't draw." You can. It's just an excuse. Look, click this video right here. It shows you all the supplies that I used when I first started out. I got you. I got you. But this was literally all I had at the time. And with a little bit of ink, I was able to pull off a bit of a half-assed Inktober. Eventually I upgraded to a better sketchbook, got some alcohol markers, some colored pencils. I studied some of my favorite artists, and then I started up this YouTube channel because I wanted to share my art journey with the world. In early 2021, I got my first drawing tablet, and to be honest with you, I wasn't really that good. It took some getting used to. The transition from paper to tablet screen just wasn't clicking for me. I had so many questions about how to do certain effects or how to render. I was so unsure of myself that I just decided to stay in my lane and stick with traditional art, which is fine. You don't have to do digital art by any means if that's not your goals. But then I discovered Ross Draws, and that's when everything changed for me. I was more determined than ever to get better. And after watching his videos and studying his art and thinking to myself that I will never get to that level, I joined his digital art bootcamp. And that's when all the missing pieces started to come together. In December, when I reached 1 year on YouTube, I created this piece. And I just rode that momentum all the way into 2022 and created banger after banger after banger. But do you remember those 2 strategies I was talking about? I knew for a fact that I wanted to get better, so I focused in and I remained consistent and persistent. I showed up every day. Now look, I know that life can be an absolute shit show. But whenever you can show up and draw or paint or whatever your medium is, take the time out of your day to practice the fundamentals. Or instead of doom scrolling, watch a tutorial, learn something new, and apply that to your next piece. Being persistent is a bit of a mindset shift. If you want it bad enough, you have to do whatever it takes to make things happen. Some days you'll feel uninspired or tired, or one moment you'll love your art and the next minute you hate it. But you just have to shed that and move on. You try again, and then the next day you wake up and you try again. Guys, I'm not here to brag. I'm not even that good of an artist. But you just have to be better than you were yesterday. And the more you do that, you'll come into your own. Set smaller goals that you know for a fact you can hit, and keep riding those waves. Stay consistent. Show up every single day. Be persistent. Kick down any door standing in your way. Show him his boss. And just be that artist you want to be. Look, if you got value from this video, please leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one.